Hi, day 12 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick, and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Write a gratitude journal. Being grateful for what you have make you see that you already are an abundant. Writing a gratitude journal gives you the opportunity to find the beautiful things in life that already makes you happy. In my work with a lot of people, I've come to the realization that a lot of people really find it hard to find things that they're grateful for. I've been working with a lot of young people, especially, and when I ask them what they are grateful for when they go to bed, they really look frightened because they don't think that they have anything to be grateful for. Then I ask them, are you grateful to be alive? Then they say yes. Confused, of course I'm grateful to be alive, but that's a thing to be grateful for. Do you have a bed to sleep in? And then they say, yes, of course I have a bed to sleep in. And then I say, but not everyone does. So that's a thing to be grateful for. Do you breathe the air all the time without you thinking of it? I think the answer is yes. But some people find it hard to breathe. So that you can breathe the air in and out without giving an extra thought is actually something to be grateful for. We need to look for the things that we are grateful for. We need to be aware of them. And having a gratitude journal actually helps us being more grateful for things. And the more grateful we are, the more we get and see to be grateful for. A gratitude journal can be done in all shapes or sizes. It can be done in a book or on a piece of paper. Or on the phone or on the computer. I do mine every night when I go to bed. I write 5 things down that I'm grateful for. It could be I'm grateful for my family and my husband and children. I'm grateful for helping the people around me. And I'm grateful for the bed that I sleep in and in the house that I live in. So for today, keep a gratitude journal. Take care, stay safe.